Everyone says learn Python, but in 2026, what should you actually learn first? And more importantly, what can you build after learning it? The problem is that most beginners jump straight into tutorials and get lost after a few weeks. They learn syntax but never build anything real. But here's the interesting part. Python wasn't originally designed for AI. It was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum to make programming simpler and easier to read. So here's the first step in the 2026 roadmap. Learn the basics: variables, loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, and simple problem solving. However, don't spend months learning theory. Start building mini-projects immediately, like a calculator, password generator, quiz app, or expense tracker. Now comes the game-changing decision. Choose a path, because Python opens doors to multiple careers. Want to build websites? Learn Flask or Django. Interested in automation? Learn scripting and APIs. Want to work with data? Learn Pandas and NumPy. And the hottest path right now? AI and machine learning. Learn libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and modern AI APIs. But that's not the whole story. Companies don't hire you because you watched courses. They hire you because you can solve problems and build real projects. That's why your next step is creating a portfolio and uploading your work to GitHub. The surprising thing is that Python is now used in AI, web development, cybersecurity, automation, finance, and scientific research. And this changed everything. In 2026, Python is no longer just a programming language. It's a gateway into some of the fastest-growing tech careers in the world. So, if you're starting today, learn the basics, build projects, choose a specialization, and create a strong portfolio. That's the Python roadmap for 2026. If this video saved you months of confusion, subscribe for more programming explainers that simplify complex topics in just a few minutes.